What's up, guys? Welcome to another exciting video where we'll dive deep into the world of Bingx, a leading cryptocurrency exchange that offers a diverse range of trading opportunities. Today, we'll explore strategies to help you maximize your profits and navigate the dynamic crypto market like a pro. So, buckle up and let's get started. Before we begin, let me give you a quick heads up. If you're new to Bingx, make sure to use the referral code 911 during registration to unlock exclusive benefits. Now, let's talk about Bingx and how you can leverage its features to your advantage. Bingx is a cryptocurrency exchange that stands out for its user-friendly interface, advanced trading tools, and a wide selection of digital assets. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your crypto journey, Bingx has something for everyone. One of the key advantages of trading on Bingx is its liquidity. With a substantial trading volume and a diverse user base, you can easily execute your trades without significant slippage. This means you can buy or sell cryptocurrencies at the desired price without experiencing major price fluctuations. Bingx also offers a variety of trading options, including spot trading, margin trading, and perpetual contracts. Spot trading allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies at the current market price, while margin trading enables you to amplify your position size by borrowing funds from the exchange. Perpetual contracts, on the other hand, are a type of derivative product that allows you to speculate on the future price movements of cryptocurrencies without an expiration date. To maximize your profits on Bingx, it's essential to develop a sound trading strategy. Here are some tips to get you started. 1. Conduct thorough research. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, make sure to thoroughly research the project, its team, roadmap, and potential use cases. Understand the market conditions, trends, and factors that could influence the price movements of your chosen asset. 2. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your portfolio by investing in a mix of cryptocurrencies with different use cases, market capitalizations, and risk profiles. This can help mitigate the risks associated with any single asset and provide a more balanced exposure to the crypto market. 3. Utilize technical analysis. Technical analysis is a powerful tool that can help you identify potential entry and exit points for your trades. Study charts, indicators, and patterns to identify trends, support and resistance levels, and potential price movements. 4. Implement risk management strategies. Trading in the crypto market can be highly volatile, so it's crucial to implement risk management strategies. Set stop-loss orders to limit your potential losses and never risk more than you're willing to lose. Additionally, consider using position sizing techniques to manage your risk exposure effectively. 5. Take advantage of Bingx's tools and resources. Bingx offers a wealth of tools and resources to help traders make informed decisions. Utilize their educational materials, market analysis reports, and trading signals to stay up to date with the latest market developments and trends. 6. Engage with the Bingx community. Bingx has a vibrant and knowledgeable community of traders and investors. Join their social media channels, forums, and discussion groups to learn from others, share insights, and stay informed about the latest trends and developments in the crypto world. 7. Consider using Bingx's copy trading feature. If you're new to trading or don't have the time to actively manage your portfolio, Bingx offers a copy trading feature that allows you to automatically mirror the trades of successful and experienced traders. This can be a great way to learn from the pros and potentially benefit from their expertise. 8. Utilize Bingx's mobile app. Bingx offers a user-friendly mobile app that allows you to trade on the go. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or simply away from your computer, the mobile app ensures that you never miss a trading opportunity. 9. Participate in Bingx's trading competitions and promotions. Bingx regularly hosts trading competitions and promotions that offer exciting rewards and incentives. Participating in these events can not only be fun and engaging, but also provide opportunities to earn additional profits or cryptocurrency rewards. 10. Stay up to date with Bingx's roadmap and developments. Bingx is continuously evolving and introducing new features and products to enhance the trading experience. Stay informed about their roadmap, upcoming releases, and new developments to take advantage of the latest innovations and opportunities. Remember, trading in the crypto market involves risk, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Always do your own research, exercise caution, and never invest more than you're willing to lose. Bingx offers a comprehensive trading ecosystem with a wide range of tools, resources, and opportunities to help you succeed in the crypto market. By following a disciplined trading strategy, utilizing Bingx's features effectively, and staying up to date with the latest developments, you can potentially maximize your profits and navigate the dynamic crypto landscape with confidence. Don't forget to use the referral code 911 when registering on Bingx to unlock exclusive benefits and kickstart your trading journey. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest crypto content. Feel free to leave your questions or comments below, and I'll do my best to address them in future videos. Until next time, happy trading!